Hi everybody, welcome back to Generic Fun 95. I'm back from my Kalahari trip, and it was fun. Unfortunately though, I had a swimmer's ear from the water, I'm assuming, and my ear kind of hurts, and for one day or so I had to stay in the hotel room because of my swimmer's ear, because the pain was too unbearable. But I'm working on getting it fixed. I'm getting better, don't worry. I had a fun time at Kalahari with my friend, and that's what matters most. And my swimmer's ear is getting better. Just so you know, just because the water's chlorinated doesn't mean it's clean. You could still get some kind of germ from somebody. You don't know where they've been. That explains how I got my swimmer's ear. Also, I used my earbuds for my phone, and it kind of made it worse. But don't worry, I'll feel better. I can only hear out of one ear right now, so you know how it is. And it's painful, but I'm better enough to make a video, so here we go. Today we're going to be unboxing my Hitachi FX6404A VCR that I got from eBay. I asked my roommate to look out for the packages for me, and they brought this in. They said, "Here, Jess, this is for you." And they left it outside my door. And here it is. So now we're going to unbox this today. We're going to use a pen because it's safer. Don't worry, I have plenty of them. This one took a while to get here, though. Okay, opening the box. And this is also a refurbished VCR, because they'll tend to last longer, even though it's used. Ow! Don't you just hate pain? Thank God I'm not bleeding. Here's our AV cable. Out of the way. Patched it up real well, I see. Oh look, it came with batteries. See, are they good? These batteries are actually fine, even though I already have some batteries out. Oh, I got a green paper. Oh, it's a thank you note. Alright, so I got a green line paper saying that this guy fixes machines. I can't tell you who it is, so for privacy reasons, but this guy services old tech, refurbishes them and services them and ships them back to you. So I'm going to hold on to this just in case I have a piece of tech that breaks around here. Like in case this breaks, which is highly unlikely. Oh, and I got my receipt. And now, get the rest of the packaging out of the way. And this is the unit itself. The last product unboxing video was after the funeral I went to, but this time it's after the water park trip I went to. I feel much better after going there. I know you can probably hear me loud and clear, but I can't hear myself because I'm half deaf because of my swimmer's ear. Okay. Here's the last of the bubble wrap. And here it is. My Hitachi FX6404 VCR. You probably can't see it that well. But this is your channel up, channel down button, a weird dial thing, stop, eject, play, still, record, your videotape slot, your multifunction window, I think a power button, the remote receiver, and a video in. It's an EP head, so I could play and record EP tapes. And on the back, you have an antenna, out to TV. There's only 2 hookups on the back. An AV in and an AV out. I haven't seen these yet. I don't know what it looks like yet. It's totally brand new to me. And also, I have it somewhere. I have the remote. You have your power button, VCR, TV, CAT TV, volume, slow, tape speed, which has EP, I'm assuming. Pause, channel, rewind, fast forward, play, stop, guide, display, in case you hook up to a TV, cable box, record, clear, program, display, number pad, view, skip blank, super index, whatever that is. And this is where you put your batteries in. We're going to use the batteries the guy gave me. As I read the green letter, he seemed like a very legit and nice guy. He also serviced my Magnavox ZV427 MG9 we've seen in past videos. Maybe I'll get the other ones. I'll get them both serviced at the same time if I can afford it. So here are the batteries he gave me. They're both good looking. So now we simply insert the batteries into here. Okay. Just want to make sure that the Allmax batteries, I never actually tried them. Hope they're good ones. So now it has batteries. Now I'm going to clean up the mess, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, now we are going to hook up the VCR. Take this and plug it into my clock. I have a cool clock that I got from Target where you can plug things in, and the alarm also works pretty good to wake you up. It works every time. See how it turns on. Oh, there's a little green light on the bottom. Turn the TV on and take our AV cable, or my AV cable really, and look for out, which is on the bottom. What? Uh-oh, something happened to the TV. Ah, there we go. The plug was... I'm also planning on hooking it up to my regular TV. The reason why I have this out is because there's no room on the desk. So, but anyway, you take my RCA wires and you hook them to the back of the television. Oh, look at that. Now we're at a blue screen. And actually, let's explore the tape modes first. We have SP, EP, you have SP and EP. Which is fine by me, because I'll keep my other VCR up on the TV. I'm going to fast forward this a little bit. It sounds pretty interesting. Alright, so I think it does work with SP tapes. There's another game I recorded. If you can look at this, it's a game I recorded from a little while ago. It's a Polar Express on the Game Boy Advance. So now we know it works with SP tapes. I want to eject it somehow. Guess I'll go to the TV and eject it. Stop eject. And see if it works with SLP tapes. Which it might not, but it's worth a try. Wait, it hurts. Wait. This is an SLP tape. We'll give it a few more seconds. It doesn't. Take it out. Doesn't work. This is another gaming video of mine. And it does not work with SLP tapes. That's why I have my Panasonic. This has SP mode, but wait. It only has SP and EP mode. That's why I'm keeping it with my Panasonic. And the green paper on the right, I'll call that guy if any of these break. Well, anyway, guys, thank you for watching my Hitachi VCR unboxing video. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time. And I'll get better soon. Bye.